Electromeet's Remote Labs is an endeavour established by the Engineering Institute of Technology aimed at providing online access to various engineering softwares for educational use. EIT will require students to utilise these programs for assessments throughout many courses of study, with the remote labs facilitating access to the platform. Our institute has a string of powerful on-site computers established to provide a connection to educational softwares. The labs can be accessed entirely from a student's device and mostly requires an active internet connection. There are two primary components that need to be utilised for a successful connection. These components consist of both the main scheduling platform and TeamViewer. The main website, lab.electromeet.com, exhibits the main point of access to the laboratory. Students are able to create an account, book a laboratory time, and be provided with the link to access the specific lab. The TeamViewer component is the downloadable software that allows for high-speed and portable access to the specific lab itself. TeamViewer is a highly reputable software with speed and security at the highest priority when connecting to the labs. The first thing you must do is download the TeamViewer application. Go to www.teamviewer.com. Once you are there, select the green button that says Download for free for personal use. When you select that button, TeamViewer will automatically download. If it fails to do so, you can select the Use Direct Download link below. When the software is downloaded, be sure to select it and open it. A setup window will subsequently appear. You will be asked a few questions. Under the How do you want to proceed question, you must select Basic Installation. Under the How do you want to use TeamViewer question, you must select Personal Non-Commercial Use. After that, select Accept and Finish. The software will subsequently install. Once the installation has fully completed, you will be presented with the TeamViewer window. You can now close the window. The first thing you need to do to access the Remote Lab scheduling platform is navigate to lab.electromeet.com. You will be presented with terms and conditions upon entering. Please read those conditions carefully and then click Agree. Select the tab Login on the top right. You will be presented with the option of either signing in or creating an account. If you have never used this platform before, please select Create an Account. To create an account, you will be presented with the following fields to fill in. While it is only mandatory to fill in an email and password field, it is recommended to fill in all the fields. Once all the details have been filled in correctly, please select Register. When the account creation is successful, you will be redirected back to the login page. Enter your newly created login details and then select the button Sign In. When you log into the labs, you will be presented with a table of lab names and the softwares attached. There are two buttons on the side of each lab. The right one directs you to the schedule of available times for the lab. The left one is the access point for the lab. For now, we'll look into the scheduling of labs. When you enter a specific laboratory schedule, the page will be formatted to look like a calendar. The bookings present are relative to your time zone. If the automatically detected time zone is incorrect, you can select the drop-down menu to accommodate the time zone of your current location. You are allowed to book 4 blocks of 1-hour sessions for the labs. This will allow you to prepare for your assignment work in advance. If you wish to remove a session, you can simply select the trash icon beside the booking you wish to delete. Once you have completed your booking, navigate to the tab Scheduled Labs to view your upcoming session. Please keep in mind that the booking may take a few minutes to appear on that page. You will receive an email notification 5 minutes before your laboratory booking, confirming its availability. You can now navigate to the scheduling platform. When you sign in and navigate to the Book and Access Labs tab, the specific labs row will contain a button that glows green. When you select that button, you will be redirected to the main TeamViewer page. A pop-up will appear, requesting confirmation to open TeamViewer. Select the Open TeamViewer button. The TeamViewer program you previously downloaded will now launch. A pop-up will appear, requesting a password. This password can be located on your Moodle homepage for your course. Once you have entered the password and proceeded, you will now be in an EIT remote lab. Please be advised that the remote labs are a shared platform. Therefore, you must not enter any sensitive details, such as credit cards or passwords. Once you have completed your remote lab session, please be sure to close the TeamViewer window. And that concludes the remote lab tutorial. We hope you enjoy your overall experience with the platform. If you require any further assistance with the labs, you can either drop us a message via the contact form on the remote lab contact page, or get in touch with your personal learning support officer.